Good morning, this Wednesday, the 15th of October. I'm Max Lacerto, a market analyst with Bell Direct. The US saw a volatile trading session overnight ultimately end mixed across the three major benchmarks. The S&P 500 closed down 0.2% and the Nasdaq closed down 0.8%, although they had fallen as low as 1.5% and 2.1% respectively throughout the day. The Dow Jones, despite opening down 1.3%, rallied to close up 0.4%. The volatility comes amid continuing trade tensions between the US and China. Europe too saw a mostly negative session overnight. The STOXX 600 fell 0.4%, Germany's DAX lost 0.62%, the French CAC fell 0.18%, and the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.1%. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets closed mostly lower as China's Ministry of Commerce sanctioned 5 US-related units of Hanwha Marine Corporation in direct retaliation to the US investigation of Chinese maritime, logistics, and shipbuilding industries in a step backwards in trade negotiations. Japan's Nikkei fell 2.58% on Tuesday, while China's CSI index lost 1.12%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 1.74%, and India's Nifty 50 ended the day down 0.55%. The local market traded lower on Tuesday before closing the session up 0.2% as US-China trade negotiations showed signs of progression on Monday. Middle East tensions continued to ease, and the AI rally marched on in the US. NAB business confidence data for September came in at a rise to 7 index points for last month, up from 4 points in August, but short of the 9 points the market was expecting the rise to. The small rise, though, signals greater optimism from a business perspective in Australia, following a mostly negative year on sentiment front for businesses in FY25. Australian consumer confidence, on the other hand, weighed on the market gains yesterday, as the latest ANZ Roy Morgan Consumer Confidence Survey unveiled sentiment weakened in October to a one-year low. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 1.22% lower at $58.83 per barrel. Gold is up 0.43% to $4,145 per ounce, and iron ore is up 0.75 to $106.53 per ton. Ahead of the Wednesday trading session, the SPY futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.83%. And finally now, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter maintains its buy rating on uranium producer Paladin Energy and has raised its target price from $10.30 per share to $11.35 per share off the back of record Q1 FY26 production, as well as steady increases in the average realized uranium price. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal on CSL, indicating that the price may rise from the current close of $211 per share to the price range of $228 to $232 per share over a period of 37 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and as always, happy investing.